The Edmonton Zone Day Hospital opened its doors in January of 2019. Since then, we've had over 400 patients walk through our doors to attend our program. The patients coming to us are actually quite acutely ill, requiring a high-level mental health support. So it's important for our teams to be well-versed in those high-risk, high-crisis situations. The patients at the hospital don't stay overnight. There's no bed-based capacity. It's really important because a lot of the times inpatient hospitalization is not the best thing for a patient. To come here in our program, learn the skills and be able to go home and practice it overnight and come back the next day and work with their team, kind of assess where they are. It's really that patient-tailored, specific approach that we really want to hammer home at the hospital. That's the most important thing.
Oh, I was so scared the first day I came because I didn't know what to expect. When we got talking about some of the things in group, you realize you're not alone. That just about everybody who was in that room was experiencing the same kind of things that I was experiencing.
A lot of patients come to us quite emotionally dysregulated, suicidal, depressed. They're at that, or they're chronic, they're at that breaking point almost. So when they come in, they're not at the best times of their life. So our teams are able to kind of work with them, coach them through the process, give them the tools they need to succeed. It's almost night and day. We see a huge difference. They gain a sense of confidence in their own ability, a sense of hope, and just knowing that they can get through those things. It's not necessarily getting rid of negative emotion, it's kind of reframing it and having a different relationship, taking a step back, taking another perspective.
I lost two people in my life that I love, my mother and my fiance to suicide. And I reflect on what's the difference between them and me and why I'm alive today. And I'm alive today because of the day hospital. And I will never go back to the level of suicidality that I had because I know I can come here if things get bad again. So it gives me hope. And I want other people to know that there is hope. It's not always going to feel that dark.
Together, we do amazing things every day.